Four-leaf clover. The elusive four-leaf clover is a symbol of extraordinary luck, believed to grant blessings to those fortunate enough to find one. These rare treasures can be discovered amidst the familiar three-leaf clovers that blanket the fields. Each leaf is imbued with its own significance. The first stands for faith, the second for hope, the third for love, and the fourth for luck itself. Legend has it that possessing a four-leaf clover can provide protection from evil spirits, making it a coveted find for anyone who wanders through meadows or gardens. Its lush green hue, a reflection of nature's bounty, serves as a reminder of life's abundance and the sweet surprises that await those who seek them. Horseshoe. The horseshoe, with its distinctive U-shape, is steeped in tradition and folklore, often considered a powerful talisman of protection and good fortune. Hanging a horseshoe above a doorway is thought to invite prosperity and ward off negativity. Its iron construction is rooted in ancient beliefs that iron can repel evil spirits, making it a popular charm in homes and businesses. The horseshoe should ideally be hung with its open end pointing upwards, resembling a cup poised to catch and hold good luck. The act of placing a horseshoe in such a position not only beautifies the entrance, but also symbolizes a protective embrace over all who enter, creating a welcoming atmosphere filled with promise. Rabbit's foot. The rabbit's foot, a curious and often debated charm, is traditionally believed to bring good luck to its owner. Revered in many cultures, particularly in North America, this charm comes from the idea that rabbits, known for their swiftness and fertility, possess qualities that can bestow luck and protection. It is often said that carrying the left hind foot of a rabbit, especially one killed under certain conditions, can enhance one's fortune in love and business. This small, fuzzy talisman is often attached to keychains or kept in pockets, serving as a constant reminder of the luck that can come from the natural world. The charm encapsulates a playful connection to nature and the serendipitous surprises it holds. Maneki Neko. The Maneki Neko, or beckoning cat, is a whimsical figure often seen in homes and businesses, especially in Japan. With one paw raised in a friendly wave, this cat exudes a sense of warmth and hospitality, believed to attract customers and good fortune. The Maneki Neko is often crafted from ceramics or plastics and comes in a variety of colors, each signifying different forms of luck. The cat's smiling face and playful posture create an inviting ambience, embodying the spirit of positive energy. Many place these charming figures near entrances, where their inviting demeanor encourages success in business endeavors and personal ventures alike. Evil Eye Amulet. The Evil Eye Amulet, characterized by its deep blue color and the unmistakable eye shape, serves as a potent protector against negative energy and ill intentions. Found in various forms throughout Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cultures, the Nazar is worn as jewelry or hung in homes, cars, and businesses to deflect harmful gazes and curses. It symbolizes a watchful eye that guards against envy, misfortune, and jealousy, instilling a sense of security in its owner. The striking blue color of the amulet, reminiscent of clear skies and tranquil waters, enhances its protective qualities, while its design offers an artistic element that captivates and intrigues. Dreamcatcher. Originating from Native American culture, the Dreamcatcher is a beautifully crafted object that embodies the belief in the power of dreams and protection. Typically featuring a circular frame adorned with a woven net, it is often embellished with feathers and beads that add a touch of elegance. Dreamcatchers are hung above beds or in living spaces, where they are said to filter out bad dreams while allowing good ones to pass through. The intricate web symbolizes the interconnectedness of life, while the feathers gently sway with the breeze, guiding positive energy down to those below. With its rich symbolism and artistry, the Dreamcatcher is both a stunning decoration and a spiritual guardian against negativity. Ladybug. The ladybug, a delightful insect adorned with a bright red shell and black spots, is a universally recognized symbol of good luck and protection. When a ladybug lands on you, many believe it heralds a period of good fortune or a favorable turn of events. Its charming appearance captures the hearts of both children and adults alike, and in many cultures, the number of spots on a ladybug is thought to predict the number of happy months to come. In addition to being a symbol of luck, ladybugs are also beneficial in gardens, where they help control pests and promote healthy plant growth. Their presence is a reminder of the beauty of nature and the positive surprises it can bring. Acorn. The acorn, a small yet powerful seed, carries rich symbolism rooted in various traditions. In Norse mythology, acorns were believed to bring protection and strength as they grow into mighty oak trees that symbolize resilience and stability. Carrying an acorn as a charm is thought to ward off misfortune and attract prosperity. The acorn's modest size belies its potential, embodying the idea that great things often come from humble beginnings. When held or worn as a charm, it serves as a reminder of growth, potential, and the enduring power of nature. Elephant with the trunk up. The elephant, revered in many cultures, symbolizes wisdom, strength, and good luck. A figurine of an elephant with its trunk raised high is particularly significant, believed to attract positive energy, abundance, and success. Often crafted from materials like wood, stone, or metal, these statues can be found in homes, offices, and places of worship. The elephant's gentle demeanor and majestic presence convey a sense of protection and encouragement, inviting positivity and good fortune into the lives of those who welcome it. Its association with family and loyalty adds a layer of warmth, making it a cherished symbol in many households. Wishbone. The wishbone, a small Y-shaped bone often found in birds, has become a beloved charm associated with hope and good fortune. The tradition of breaking the wishbone typically occurs during festive meals, where two people pull it apart while making a wish. The one who ends up with the larger piece is believed to have their wish granted, adding an element of playful competition to the ritual. This charming practice captures the joy of shared hopes and dreams, bringing people together in the spirit of camaraderie and optimism. The wishbone embodies the idea that small moments can lead to significant outcomes, encouraging a sense of wonder about what the future may hold. Laughing Buddha. The laughing Buddha, with his round belly and joyful expression, is a prominent figure in Chinese culture, embodying happiness, abundance, and good fortune. Often depicted sitting with a sack full of treasures, the laughing Buddha is a symbol of generosity and contentment. Many people display his figure in homes and businesses, believing that rubbing his belly will attract wealth and joy. His infectious smile and carefree demeanor remind us to embrace life's joys and the importance of laughter and happiness. The laughing Buddha serves as a gentle encouragement to seek out abundance in all forms, both material and spiritual. The key, a timeless symbol of access and opportunity, holds a special place in many cultures. Often seen as a representation of unlocking new possibilities, keys are given as gifts to signify trust, authority, and potential. The act of possessing a key symbolizes empowerment and the ability to open doors, both literally and metaphorically. Keys can come in various shapes and sizes, each carrying its own story of what it unlocks. Carrying a key as a charm serves as a constant reminder of the opportunities that await, encouraging a sense of adventure and exploration in life. Penny. The humble penny, often overlooked, carries significant meaning when found heads up. In many cultures, discovering a penny is considered a sign of good luck, particularly if it is picked up and cherished. The saying, "Find a penny, pick it up, and all day long you'll have good luck," reflects the charm's association with positivity. While a penny may seem trivial, its discovery can brighten one's day, reminding us to appreciate the small blessings in life. The simple act of stopping to pick up a penny can serve as a moment of mindfulness, encouraging gratitude for the little things that often go unnoticed. Scarabs. In ancient Egypt, the scarab beetle was a revered symbol of transformation, protection, and rebirth. Often depicted in amulets and jewelry, scarabs were believed to bring good fortune and safeguard their wearers from harm. The scarab's association with the rising sun and the cycle of life gave it profound spiritual significance, embodying the principles of renewal and immortality. Wearing a scarab charm is thought to invoke the blessings of the gods, offering protection and strength. The intricate designs and craftsmanship of scarab jewelry reflect the artistry of ancient cultures, making them not only symbols of luck, but also beautiful expressions of heritage and spirituality. Feng Shui coins. Feng Shui coins, typically round with a square hole in the center, are powerful symbols of wealth and prosperity in Chinese culture. Often tied together with red string, these coins are placed in homes and businesses to attract financial abundance and ensure stability. The round shape represents the heavens, while the square hole symbolizes the earth, signifying the connection between the two. Displaying Feng Shui coins in auspicious locations is believed to enhance the flow of good fortune and protect against financial loss. Their presence in a home or office is thought to harmonize the energy of the space, creating a balanced environment where success and wealth can flourish.